Hello buddy, welcome back to my YouTube channel Go On Buddy. In today's video, I will recite you the breakup story of Nibba and Nibbi, and by which I will teach you 10 most important vocabularies which you can use in your day-to-day life. You will learn how to use vocabularies in the sentences with their visual. And the most important thing to remember vocabularies for a long time, we have a formula which is girlfriend. As you can see, the first letter of girl is G, by which we have a new word is gratifying. Follow the sequence, the next letter is I, and the word is integrity. Then respite. Then lure. Then the first letter of friend is F, and the word is fragile. Follow the sequence. The next letter is R, R for ravenous, I for inept, E for expand, N for nosy, and last letter is D, and the word is dump. So without wasting any time, let's straight jump into the story and learn the meaning of this word. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so do subscribe for more videos. Let's go. The first letter of formula girlfriend is G, and the word is gratifying, which meaning is enjoyable, pleasurable, or in Hindi we can say Sukhdayak. Let's see the use of this word in the sentences. Once upon a time, there was a guy named Nibba. He had a girlfriend whose name was Nibbi. Nibbi was a rich girl and Nibba was from a middle class family. Therefore, Nibbi wanted to break up with Nibba and wanted to live a gratifying life, mean wanted to live a enjoyable or Sukhdayak life. The next letter is I, and the word is integrity. Integrity means the quality of being honest, या honesty in Hindi ईमानदारी. Nibbi had a doubt on Nibba's integrity, which means Nibbi had a doubt on Nibba's honesty, या ईमानदारी. Nibbi used to think that Nibba loved to her money, not her. The next letter is R, and the word is respite, which meaning an interval of rest or relief. In Hindi, mohalat ya rahat. So Nibbi couldn't stop herself and gave Nibba 5 days of respite to prove his integrity. Prove that you don't love me, you only love my money, Nibbi said to Nibba. 5 days of respite is enough, girl. I can prove to you now that I do love your money, not you, Nibba said. How? Nibbi asked. The next letter is L, and the word is lure. Lure means make somebody to do something, usually by offering him or her something nice. In Hindi, lalach dena. Nibbi and Nibba both were foodie, so Nibba lured Nibbi for pizza, burger, and more. Nibba finished his pizza and then jumped into Nibbi's burger. When the waiter came for payment, Nibba took 2 steps back, refused to pay money, and proved his integrity towards her money. Nibbi went happy because her doubt got cleared. She hugged him tightly and promised, I will never doubt on you again. Now the first letter of friend is F, and the word is fragile. Fragile means easily damaged or broken. In Hindi, kamjor or najuk. One night, Nibba had a high fever. He was in a fragile stage. And now, it was Nibbi's time to prove her love to Nibba. Nibba had almost tears in his eyes when he felt that Nibba is not picking his call, neither replying his messages, and parting with her friends. Nibbi's care for Nibba increased more love on Nibba's heart from that day. The next letter is R, and the word is ravenous. Ravenous means very hungry. in Hindi, bahut bhuka. One day, they both met in the evening. Nibba was ravenous because he had eaten so much since morning, and Nibbi was not ravenous because she had eaten nothing since morning. Next letter is I, and the word is inept. Inept means not able to do something well, unskilled. In Hindi, anadi or murk. Nibbi gave him to buy ice cream, but Nibba brought nothing and kept the money in his pocket. He lied to Nibbi that money has fallen somewhere on the way, and I am not sorry for that. You are such an inept person, she said with a beautiful smile. Nibbi was happy that Nibba was not sorry for this incident. The next letter is E, and the word is expend. Expend means to spend or use money, time, care, etc. in doing something. किसी कार्य में धन, समय, ध्यान आदि लगाना को expend बोलते हैं. Nibbi had only 10k rupees now. She didn't want to expend more money on food. She controlled her hunger and went shopping. The last letter of the formula is N and D. N for nosy. Nosy means a person who take interest in others' personal life. दूसरों के निजी मामलों में बहुत रुचि रखने वाले इंसान को नोजी पर्सन बोलते हैं या ताक झांकिया. And the next letter is D, and the word is dump. Dump means to get rid of somebody. किसी से पीछा छुटाना, especially a boyfriend or girlfriend. After being in a relationship with him for more than half a month, Nibbi observed that Nibba was not a nosy person. He doesn't take interest in others' life. So she made her mind to dump Nibba. One day, Nibbi called him and found Nibba had dumped her already. Now memers are living a gratifying life by making memes on them. So we have completed the letters of formula. Here is the word which you learn throughout the story. Take a pause and revise them again. Congratulations! We have learned most important vocabularies with the help of trick and story. If you like the video, so please comment, share and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. And if you haven't watched my free English conversation application video, so do watch it and use the application Tapri. Thank you. Have a nice day.